Hi guys! Welcome to MELCY'S Kitchen.
MELCY'S Kitchen! Yummy,
We're cooking beef caldereta. We need a bigger casserole dish, spatula, and here are the ingredients. We have olive oil, we got garlic, onion, tomato, potato, carrots, capsicum or bell pepper. We have olives, chorizo. You can use hot dogs, you can use Kransky, a cup of guisantes or peas. We got grated cheese, and this is our star of the dish, the beef spare ribs. For the sauce, we got vinegar, soy sauce, tomato paste, it's a beef liver spread, vegetable extract, vegeta, beef stock or beef cubes, cracked pepper, we have salt, bay leaves, and 4 cups of bora, or we can put more. Caldereta, that's my dad's recipe. He cooked like pork, goat. He loves caldereta. He loves stew. That's why I'm doing this for Dad. Kay Papa Boyong. I'm cooking beef, but he sometimes he use other meat like bayawak, kambing, something like that. He put a lot of cheese, a lot of liver spread, and potato and other stuff. Yeah. Let's start cooking. Hi guys, our pan is now hot and ready. So we put 5 spoon of olive oil. Put the garlic, onion, 1 large of onion, 2 large of tomato. It's about 2 cups. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Cover it and we'll come back. Let's check our tomato. Nice, cooked for about a minute or 2, and then we can now put the bay leaves. Bay leaves, about 5 bay leaves. Now we add up our star of the dish, the beef. It's about 1.5 kilos in a big chunky pieces. Now we put our soy sauce, beef cubes or beef stock. I use Knorr. I like Knorr beef stock. 2 cubes vegeta or vegetable extract or stock. Cracked pepper. Mix it up. Okay, let's check our beef. After 15 minutes, we're going to add the chorizo or hot dogs, or you can use Kransky. Then we can add now the potato, carrots, add 2 cups of water, pouring 2 spoons of liver spread. This is from New Zealand. Mix it up and put 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. A pinch of salt, more pepper, a spoon of vinegar, white vinegar. Bring it to boil for about 20 minutes to half an hour, but you have to stir it occasionally. Okay, let's check our beef. Looks good. Now the capsicum or bell pepper. green peas. This is optional, olives. So I'll put all together.
Nice.
Looks really good. Let's taste. Oh, for me it's perfect. So let it simmer for about 5 minutes until the capsicum half cooked, and then we'll come back. Oh, look at that. Nice and sticky, saucy. Vegetables, chorizo, olives, potato. Oh,
Smells great.
this is nice with bread, pasta, rice. Oh. Okay, let's turn off the heat. Let's serve it now. Yum. Okay, this is my beef caldereta. Thanks, Dad, for teaching me how to cook beef caldereta. Although I put olives, you don't. But it's really good. Before we go, we would like to greet happy birthday Tatay Benny Benedictos. Happy birthday, Tay. And also happy birthday Paul Ramirez. Chef Paul, happy birthday. All the best. This is my beef caldereta. Hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this dish. See you next time at MELCY'S Kitchen. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.